Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make your profile private on Threads. Okay, first things first, open up your Threads app. Press your profile button on the bottom right. Now, in your profile, what you want to do is to press the globe icon on the top right side of your screen. Doing this will bring you to the privacy settings of the Threads app. Now, as you can see within the selection of options, just enable the private profile. After enabling it, your profile will be private on Threads. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now make your profile private on Threads. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.